Hello YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video on my plans, or one of my plans using the Zello program. I want to be able to do my distance test and have you guys tune in live and in real time using the Zello app that you can download on your phone or your computer. The app is free and you can be able to hear me as I'm on my two-way radio. You can hear how it really sounds. You don't need a two-way radio. I will be using the two-way radio, the GMRS handheld radio, using the repeater. And when I go to like location 1, and I'm at location 1, 2 miles away, or I'm at location 2, 2.91 miles away, I will go to the same locations as I've done in my videos. So this way you guys can tune in and you can interact with me and other people in the channel. We can chat and whatnot, but this way you get to hear the live two-way radio distance test as I'm doing it. That's where I'm going to give that a try, and what I'll do is when I decide to do a distance test, I will post a video 2 or 3 days ahead of time stating a date and a time I will be doing this, maybe even a week ahead of time. And that's what I'm going to do. And this way you guys can join me and listen to it. I will also shoot a video inside the car as I'm doing it, so I can upload that video also for people who are not able to do that. So I will also do a video. I thought about doing a YouTube live and just do it that way, but the problem is I don't know if the cell service will be good enough to use in those areas that I go to. I'm afraid it will be kind of a sketchy, blocky, cutting out type of a live video feed. So we're just going to do it this way. Like I said, I'll still shoot a video in my car like I normally do, but you guys' voice will be in the video. So that's the plan. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below, and please subscribe and have a good day.